just wanna show you off. I don't wanna do you wrong. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the flies of them all?
Glam Fam, what's up? We're going to get into this video right quick. And if you want to see a look done on my face with this collection, then just keep on watching. Before we get started, I'm just going to go put on some brows because I'm looking kind of rough, and I'll be right back. And here we go, brows. So the first thing I think I want to do before I even start reviewing the products is I'm going to go in with the Mario Badescu skincare facial spray with aloe herbs and rose water. It's this one. You can get in Ulta. And I'm just going to spray my face because your girl's feeling kind of dry. And it feels so good. So it takes the tightness away from my face. Disney limited edition set. This is the packaging. It's super cute. And you can get them at Target or Target online. Well, this is what the collection has to offer. 2 eyeshadow palettes, a bronzer palette, brush set. We're going to find out if these are good. And a nail polish kit. Of course, I'm not going to be doing my nails today. Well, you can also get this charcoal face mask, removes toxins from the skin and minimizes pores. I'll do a video on this another night. And then it has this green tea face mask. So we'll try those another night. And then I'll let you guys know how they go. It says Everyday Brush Set Limited Edition. I just want to do a quick shout out to my mom and my daughter. Thank you so much. This was my Mother's Day gift. They know I'm obsessed with makeup and I work at Disney, so it's perfectly fitting. I love them so much. Thank you guys. I love you. So we're going to open it up and let's look at these brushes. The handles, how cute they are. They have little Mickeys on them. The brush itself is very soft. You can tell it's a synthetic brush though. Brush. This neat pointer brush that my mom says you can't live without. Do you guys see that tip right there? And then it has this brush and then this brush. So we're going to do this look without any other brushes, just these brushes. And then it comes with this cute little travel bag with the zipper, and on the zipper it has a Mickey. Let me see if I can show you guys that. To keep all your brushes in. I'll probably use this for money or something else because I keep my brushes in my brush holder. How cute. I love Mickey. I love Disney. I already have like done my face, did a little bit of spot correcting. It is late at night. I am going to go to bed after this, so I'm going to be wiping all this off anyways. But I just wanted to be able to review the products that came with it. So the first thing we're going to go into is contour. So in this contour palette, let me not blind you guys, it has all these shades, and none of them are a shimmery highlighter. I'm a little bit disappointed about that, but it has your highlighting shades right here, and then your contour shades right here. And I believe I'm going to go into the darkest shade because I have dark skin. And we're going to start contouring. That's pigmented. Ooh. Then to soften it up, I'm going to go in that middle shade right here. Just to blend it out. Or fluffy brush. Oh, it feels so soft. And easy. It's that easy. Look, you can already see I have definition. It looks really good. I'm going to outline my contour with this lighter powder. Oh, this is nice and silky. This is a great, great formula. And even though my mom did purchase it for me, if it was crap, I would say it was crap. It's good. It's very good. Better than I expected. I think we'll contour the nose. I think I'm going to go in with this pointer brush because I can't do any makeup under my eyes for this video. I can do eye makeup because I did get cellulitis in my eyes. Those that don't know, cellulitis is a bacterial infection. That means you have to be diligent with cleaning your brushes, okay? I got it from one of my brushes. I cleaned them, but I mean, one of the brushes must have been dirty or something flew in the air. And so I have to keep this under eye. He said the doctor said I could use makeup on the top, but just not on the bottom. So until the antibiotics run its course, you can go in with that pointer brush my mom raves about, and I'm gonna go into the darkest shade, and I am gonna contour down my nose. I'm gonna take the brush from your tip of your eyebrow down. Oh, this is perfect for this. Whoever doesn't have this, at least for contouring the nose, needs to get it. Cooler tone one. And I'm going to go right on top of where I laid that contour. Snatch this nose up. Then I'm going to take this fluffy brush just to fluff it all out. And we have a snatch nose right there. I mean, there's not much you can do with this nose, But so I would say overall this is fantastic. It says total net weight 0.42 ounces, which is 12 grams. Basically like an all nudes. Kind of like a dupe for the Urban Decay Naked palette. Is I'm going to swatch the colors. First they have a black right here. I'm going to swatch them up and down my arm. They don't have any names, guys, so these have some pigment. Swatches. I think Disney, I'm all about it. So, you know. Most of them are shimmers. I'm just going to swatch them all and then show you what they look like. Oh, these shimmers are stunning. Love this cool tone brown. Look at that. Like a cool tone gray brown. Nice. That's a matte. Then we have this bronzy shimmer. I'm just going to put them all over my arm. Oh, this gold color is gorgeous. Oh, you guys got to see this one. Oh, that's, come on. Those are beautiful. I hope the light is getting it good, but you can just tell that these are swatching like a dream. And then they have this regular banana color. And now we'll just look at, these are the colors in the neutral palette off. And now we'll go into the other palette for swatches. Because, you know, swatches are one thing, but it's all about how the shadow is placed with a brush. All right, that's, wow. Now remember, there's no primer on my hands or anything. This is like a dupe for the Naked Heat. This is the other palette. It's like a matte brown. Perfect. The next one's like a rusty color. Beautiful. The next one is like an orange, like a burnt orange. You guys see that? Let me wipe off these swatches from the old one. Okay. Deeper rust. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Look at that color. It's orange. Oh, that's beautiful. Matte transition shade. Transition shade, a matte, a cooler brown. Getting into the lighter transition shade. Banana transition shade. It's just like a white cream. Okay, so that's all the swatches. Let me see if I can do it like this. Out of using the one that's the dupe for the Naked Heat, because if you saw my daughter does my Power of Makeup challenge on one side of my face, she used that palette. So we are going to go into the more natural one. This brush, and I'm going to take this shade right here. Let me bend this back so I don't blind you guys. And I'm my lid. I'm not using any primer because that wouldn't be fair. I want to see how the shadows really perform. So far, so good. This smaller crease brush, and I'm gonna go into this. Actually, I'm gonna go in with this color first. I wish there was names that would make it so much. Hey, hello pigments. Hello pigment. Using this one to lay the shadow. This is such a good detail brush. Okay. Now I'm gonna smooth it out with the more blending brush. Soften that crease up. How's it looking? Oh, it's doing very good. Also like Milani or Rimmel eyeshadows. This is really good. I'm gonna go back in with that black with the smaller crease brush. Match my shirt. I don't know what I was thinking when I used this shirt, when I wear this shirt, but. I'm gonna go into this like greenish olive shade. It's like a deeper olive. And I'm gonna put that right on top of the crease. Oh, I love this color. Oh, this is beautiful. I could just skip all my palettes and use this. They're blending like a dream. And I'm gonna go into this rusty green right here. And I'm just gonna put that right into the crease just to define it a little more, make these hooded eyes look a little bit bigger. And with my finger, I'm going to go into this gold shade. And I'm gonna put that right in my lid. I hope the camera's catching how gorgeous these shadows are. I mean, this has been one of the most easiest eye looks I've ever done. They're just creamy. No fun. Clean off this brush because I need it to do my brow bone. I'm not gonna do inner corner highlight. You know I live for that, but I don't want to irritate my eyes like that. This gold, and I'm gonna just take it to my brow bone. Oh, good God, look at that. Blingy. I hope my mom bought one for herself too, because if she didn't, she's gonna wish she would after she sees this video, because my mom watches all my videos. So that's the finished eye look. I think it came out beautiful. I know it's simple, but you know, that's I swatched them all for you so you pretty much have a good idea. Going in with my Morphe 510 brush, and I'm going into this Kilowatt highlighter. If you guys are looking for a banging highlighter, you need to get this LA Girl strobe light. I think it's like $7. This color is amazing. Let me just swatch it. Like, come on. And when the way it lays on the skin, it's almost like a Resi highlighter by Anastasia. And once I got this, I was kind of disappointed that I already have the Amrezy, because this could have been a perfect dupe. So before I go in with that, I'm going to spray. I'm not putting any lashes on nor mascara. I'm going to spray just to intensify the highlighter. You guys, can you see that? I hate saying can you see that, but can you see that? I mean, sorry while I blind you guys. I mean, is that a good highlighter or what? I don't even think the Amrezy is as popping as that. I mean, this is crazy. I got to calm it down. And I'm a little bit tanner, and I was on doxycycline, and whenever you're even out in the sun for 5 seconds, you end up getting burned and brown. Calm this down by going in with this brush, because that's just too much. It's gonna look ashy on my skin only because I'm super dark. I'm normally not this dark. This is because the medication mixed with the sun is not a good combo. That is popping. If you guys are any lighter than I am right now, this is gonna be a perfect highlight. It's melted matte. I think that'll be good. We'll use this Too Faced melted matte in the color Chihuahua. I have 2 Chihuahuas, and one day you'll get to see them. And let me know if you guys have any dogs. I love this because it's so easy, smells great, and it's just the perfect My Lip of Better nude. That's it. I mean, that highlight though. It looks so ashy on me, but can you see? Gracious. Okay, so these are my final thoughts on the product. I can't get over that highlighter. It's like red ash, but it's still so beautiful. Don't let my skin tone fool you, because when I first got it, it was perfect on me. It just happened to, like, my skin got all red and dark and everything. Okay, so what I think about these palettes, I think they are amazing. I think you already guessed that by now. It's not only because of the novelty of it being a Disney product and that I work at Disney, but the price point is right. It's cute as can be. They feel expensive. They have a mirror. They have a brush. The brush is worth shit that it comes with. That's garbage. I'm gonna keep it anyways, but it's trash. But and that's most eyeshadow palette brushes. They're always garbage unless it's high end. But they're so super cute. The brushes are amazing. And the contour palette performed perfectly. I mean, what more do you want? It was better than even an e.l.f. contour palette. So with that, I'm going to say goodbye. Because I wasn't lying about taking this all off, guys. I got to go to bed. So I'm not going to bed with the stuff on my face. So I'm going to wipe this off. I'm going to go wash it off with soap now. I love you guys. Bye.